if information about that came out.
This is a test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
We could take over the mortgage, buy this house. However,
have so many things that we need to cover. I feel like before we dive in to any of the other big topics, we just need to take a breath.
Little Rock, KGMR, 1360M, Clarksville, Radio.
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Alabama, all of Arkansas, all of Iowa, all of Illinois, all of Kansas, all of Louisiana, all of Minnesota, all of Missouri, all of Mississippi, all of North Dakota, all of Nebraska, all of Oklahoma, all of South Dakota, all of Tennessee, all of Texas, and all of Wisconsin beginning at 12 p.m. and ending at 1 p.m. Test message pause open cap EAS feed configuration test message.
Field position to do something with it. If you'd like to listen to that game instead of the one you're listening. Stations and cable systems of your area. Emergency alert system equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, flood, evacuation, toxic release, or any emergency that you, the public, should be timely alerted, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves as a vital part of the Louisiana State Emergency Alert System. This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.
And the children say we can last just the same as we last.
I don't know how it's going to win that. But I don't know how long it would take to get to the deal. You might be president to get to work. Yeah, for a while. That's a civil. Well, the last one, and that's the one with the local situation, the local issues of Attorney General, but the prosecutor. That is the one that they concocted that insane. That might not even make sense. That why the one that takes provided monthly tests to all broadcast stations in Kansas and the Kansas City metropolitan area. Equipment that can quickly warn you of emergencies is now being tested. System messages and information will follow the Kansas City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Basically coming through a big play after big play and not turning the ball over. It's a rare foul.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System is designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.